Okay, so it is 2:46 p.m. Uh, April 2nd, 2017. I just got back into the country. I was in the Dominican, and I finally got back to footage in my inbox from Phoenix Pro officials. I had requested it before I left, and so now, if there was any doubt that blacklighting was completely full of crap, this should erase that doubt. So this is like, I don't know, exhibit A through D of him being a cheating little weasel. So not only did he cheat to beat Shane, and technically he didn't even beat Shane, it was a draw with an asterisk next to it, which basically amounts to zip. But once again, for the third time in his career, he could not beat me without cheating or without help. So he says he won fair and square, that he did nothing underhanded, nothing wrong. So I'm just going to let the footage speak for itself. So the following footage takes place, I think it's 1, 2, 3, it looks like 3 clips from before our match, and then 2 following it. I don't know what the 2 following it proved, other than he's just a big dinkus and a coward with little man syndrome. But here it is. So now he can't say that it never happened.